The most evil dog in the world. Ben, you said not to disturb them, right? That's what you said. So leave them alone. That is so cute. You're so cute, Minnie. We love you. Oh, he's attacking her leg. It's so funny. Oh, she's done. Like, that's enough of that.
Don't bite my foot, you can't. First it was fun for a little while, and then the dog.
Oh, dog. Oh.